Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully created and we designed our add other cost page, and now from to this position I want to add that amount, I want to add the date and the images and the description, and after that if you click as a save, that means the submit, this data I want to store in our this database table, right? That is the account other cost table. So right now from here I take that our text area. Right now we don't need this, and also I don't need this. Okay, so I simply take everything from our employee management and then we'll customize it as per our demand. So now it's totally perfect for our other cost add page, and here I have created one of the method, our method name as the other cost store method, right? Because of all in our other, that means the add page, I have created one of the route, so that is our store other cost. So into the web route, that will be another post method, and then into the other cost controller I have created this method. So that is our method, and that is one of the post method. For the reasons here we have to pass that as a request and the $request, right? So now friend, I want to insert this data. So first of all I want to insert this data in our which table? I want to insert this data in our accounts other cost table. So for the reasons, first of all I want to take one of the variable as a cost, and then the new I want to create one of the object of our this model. So that is our model name. I have already loaded this model as account other cost. So now with this cost here I want to insert, that means new data I want to insert, right? And that is a cost, and then I pass all that our field. That will be very easy, one of the process. So with this cost I want to use our database field name, our database field name as a date. So I copy it, that will be as a date, and then our requested one. So if you want to requested date, that will be I put on the date format. Our date format will be inserted with the year, and then the month, and then the date. Okay, and then I want to use that start to time. Into the start to time here I want to pass our this request field name. Our request field name, if you go to our add page, so our request field name I name it as a date. You can see that is actually our date. So now I copy it, that will be as a requested field name as a date. Perfect. Okay, and then I want to take another one. I want to take another field as a cost. So with this cost I want to access our database field, our database field name as a amount. So I copy it, that will be as a amount, and amount will be our requested field. That means the request field name, our request field name as a in our add page I name it as a amount, right? So that will be actually the same name. I always actually prefer to use the same name. And after that I want to take that image. So for the image we did the same things a lot of the time. If you go to our controller, into the controller, the profile controller, here I have done this work. Like there is a profile controller. Here you can see that is the same condition. Okay, I have already discussed every part one by one with you, friend. So right now I think it not should be hard for you. I simply copy it, and now our other cost. So after that I paste it. Okay, that is our AND method. So into the if condition, our field name as the same, because if you go to our database table, the database table I have used that image field, and also in our requested add page I have used the same name as the image, right? Perfect. So now that is our requested field name as the image. The file type will be as a file. So right now first of time we don't need to unlink an image. When we edit it, then that will be needed, right? That means it will be removed that our previous one, and it will be inserted that new one. So right now we don't need this. I close it. So only here we need to add or create one of the date. That means one of the unique name. That means it should be created one of the unique name with the date format, and then our get original extension, and then file will be moved path in our upload. I have already created one of the folder name. I have created that folder name as a cost image, right? So into the cost images folder I want to save this all image. So now I want to update it. That means in our upload it will be inserted all the data in particular this path area, and then our file name. And now with this cost, not that date, so with this cost I want to access our database field name. Our database field name is also as an image, right? So that will be as an image our this file image. Okay, perfect. So friend, that's all we have to do for upload that image. That means image will be now uploaded in our particular this folder, right? And after that I want to take another one, that is a cost. So with this cost I want to add another one. I want to add another one as a description field. So that will be our description will be as the same, our request, that is our request, and then requested our field name, our requested field name in our add page. I name it as a description, right? You can see that is it. I name it as a description, so that will be the same. I copy it, and then that will be as a description. And after that, with this cost, I want to save this data, so that will be as a saved data. Okay, perfect. So friend, that's all we have to do for insert this data. When it should be saved this data, I want to display one of the notification, that means notification with the toaster. So from our profile controller, I want to actually take this. I think you already know, we did a lot of the time, there is our toaster notification. So I copy it, and now in our other cost, after that I paste it. Okay, so when that will be saved perfectly, it should be displayed as a other cost inserted successfully. This type of one of the message it should be displayed, and our type will be as a success type, and then it should be return redirect to our route. Our route will be as a, I have already created one of the view page, so into the view it should be return redirect, right? So it should be return redirect to our this route as a other cost view page. And with the notification, and with the other view page, if you go, I have already updated that images. That means if it not null with these value images from our upload, from our that means the cost images, and from the cost images it should be displayed that image, right? That means everything should be display on here, and I just simply pass it. So that's all. Now if you want to check it, now click as a save all. I click as a save all, and now here I want to do and to insert some of the data. Click as a refresh. I want to insert some of the data as a 6,000 amount. I purchase some of the things into the date one. I choose that our product image. Right now I select this one, open it, and you can see our image is visible. And after that I put the description, that will be as a for book. Okay, book self. So this type of one of the description for this product, and after that I want to click as a submit. Yeah, you can see it's perfect. There is a cost, that means that our other cost inserted successfully. And now you can see there is a serial number is visible, date is visible, amount is visible, and description is also visible. That is the image. And then our action button as edit. So the image, I didn't put any image size and height, so better I want to update this in our view page. That means everything is great, right friend? Everything is working perfectly. So for the image I want to add some of the wide height. So after this I put another style. I put that style wide. Okay, wide will be as a 70 pixel, and then I also want to put another height. Height will be as a 50 pixel. Okay, so this I just put on the wide height, then it should be better. Now if you click as a save all, and now let's check this out. If you now click as a refresh, yeah, you can see it's not perfect, right friends? So I have added one of the date is perfect, amount is perfect, our description is perfect, and the images. Now I want to add another one. I make it as a 800, and I put on the date as a 3, or I put this 16. Click as a choose one of the image. So for education purpose I use this one, open it. So that is I name it as a game purpose. Okay, that is a game. I put some of the description. Now click as a submit. Yeah, you can see other costs inserted successfully. That means everything is now inserted successfully, right friend? So here we successfully complete that part. Now there is edit portion, the delete portion. Delete portion, I think at that point you already know how to delete it. So in our next video I want to discuss about that edit portion. Okay, so how can edit this other cost page in our next video. I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.